Hello guys, welcome to 𝐶𝐞𝐥𝐥 Photography and I am Adi. So in this video we are gonna take a pic of a flower and we are gonna edit it in the same video itself. So the pic we are gonna take is this. So guys, before moving on to the video, I want to tell two things to you. The first thing is we are using Snapseed to edit this image. If you haven't downloaded Snapseed yet, I'll give the link in the description and you can download it from there. And the second thing is, if you are seeing my channel for the first time, subscribe it and hit the bell icon. So let's go to take the pic.
Hacemos el amor a la misma vez, tú te tocas. Bebé, no te pasa nada, vuélvete loca. Y tu novio te trata mal.
Couple of pics of the flower, and the pic I choose is this. And we have to edit this pic into this. So without lagging, let's move on to the video. So friends, now I have opened Snapseed over here, and if you tap on the screen, you can import the picture. So I have now imported my picture. The next thing what we need to do is apply portrait mode over there on our picture. So it will take like 2 to 3 seconds. Never mind. So now we can see our picture is having some changes. It is good, right? It became little more dark, and save it. So next is tune image. So you have to go click that pencil icon and there will be tune image on the top. The values and all I'll be giving on the side, so, or you can either use it or go up to your own, because every photo is unique, right? You won't be taking the same photo that I took, so you can do it your own or just take my values. So care about the background and now leave the flower. We'll come to it later, okay? So I'm repeating it, don't care about the flower now, we'll come to it later. So I know the flower is little bit gloomy, but we need to make it little more dark. Go to that vintage and apply 12 and apply it. Yes, now let's come to the flower. On the top there will be an option and click View Edits. There will be tune image, click it and click the second option. Make sure you inverted it, and one more thing is the value of tune image should be 0. And just zoom in and drop the flower. You can see the flower regaining its original color. That's why I told leave the flower and focus on the background. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, follow me guys, the link is in the description. So we are almost done with the flower and let's save it guys. See, the flower is much more brighter, right? This is not enough, right? We need to make it little more dark. So what we need to do it, go to vignette and adjust it according to your picture. In my case, I have adjusted it like outer brightness till -75 and inner -22. So the next thing is adding logo. If you don't have a logo or if you don't know how to create a logo, comment down below. I'll do a video based on it, okay? So wait a minute guys, let me adjust this. Yeah guys, it is almost done, and that's all what we have to do with this pic, and that's all. How was the video guys? If it was helpful, like the video and leave your opinion on the comment box, and you can share this video to your friends, cousins, family members, you know, right? Then yeah, that's all about today's video, and I'll be back with the creative video. Until that, bye guys.